Hello friends, welcome back to the channel once again. What if your MuleSoft production issues could explain themselves before you even open a single log? Not alerts, not dashboards, not another monitoring tool, but an AI agent that tells you what exactly broke, why it broke, and what you should do next. It looks like a marketing hype, but it's not. It's already happening. If you have ever supported a MuleSoft application in production, then you already know the troubleshooting process is so painful, expensive, and time consuming. That's why today we are breaking down something that could fundamentally changes the entire process of this troubleshooting. A MuleSoft diagnostic agent, an AI powered capability designed to eliminate the painful part of your integration operation called root cause analysis. Now let's see if something goes wrong with our Anypoint platform, how we tackle that with our traditional approach. So let's say an API fails, you get an alert, and instantly you're pulled into a firefighting mode. You juggle between logs, Anypoint monitoring, tracing tools. And here is the things getting interesting. You're asking the same question at every incident. Where did it fail? Why did it fail? Is it infrastructure issue or is it a real application logic failure? And the biggest problem is the time. If you delay, then you'll see the spike in your MTTR, which is your minimum time to resolution. And in enterprise environment, that is not just a delay. That is loss of revenue, SLA breaches, and stakeholder pressure. This is where the MuleSoft diagnostic agent comes into picture and changes the entire game. This is not another dashboard or monitoring strategy. It is an AI powered capability which uses the Einstein and is directly deployed or embedded inside our Anypoint platform. It not only shows the data, it actually understands the signals, the heartbeat of our Anypoint platform. Now let's see how it works. So the agent continuously gathers the application logs, runtime metrics, deployment metadata, and infrastructure signals across Mule Runtime, CloudHub. And things gets interesting where instead of you analyzing the logs, the AI correlates the events, detects anomalies, and identifies the pattern across the system automatically. And this is the real breakthrough where your traditional monitoring tool or your traditional tool, it says that there is a CPU usage hike, but our diagnostic agent says there is a CPU spike. It is caused by a retry loop inside some Xflow, and that is triggered by a downstream timeout. This is not a data. This is understanding of your Anypoint platform from A to Z. And it won't stop here. It goes beyond this and tells you what went wrong, why it happened, and exactly what to do next. Now we talked about too much theory. We'll see the power of this MuleSoft Diagnostic Agent in live demo. So without wasting time, let's directly jump onto the Anypoint platform. And so once you logged into Anypoint platform, first we'll check the setup. So we'll make sure that our Anypoint platform is enabled with Agentforce and Einstein. So we'll go to access management. Inside access management, we'll go to Salesforce. And here we need to see the Salesforce org is registered, which has Agentforce and Einstein enabled. Now, how to register the Salesforce org with your Anypoint platform? I have uploaded multiple videos. I'll recommend everyone to go through those videos, and I'll add the link in the description below. So once you make sure that the Agentforce and Einstein is enabled on Anypoint platform, we'll make sure the user, logged in user, has the required permissions. So I'll pick any one here and I'll show you what permission we're talking about. So you can go ahead and search for generative AI user. This permission should be enabled or assigned or grant to that user, logged in user. Once you have confirmed these two things, you're ready to go and use this diagnostic agent. So we'll go to Runtime Manager. Under Runtime Manager, we'll pick one application from each Mule runtime, Cloud of 1.0 and Cloud of 2.0. So let's take the running application. The first running application, we'll take it from Cloud of 2.0. So if you go to that application details, you'll find left-hand side Diagnostic, which is a new feature enabled here. Click on that. You have one drop down here, Analyze and Troubleshoot. You have two options. Now the first option is enabled because our setup is properly configured and it is enabled. Now second option is generate MuleSoft Diagnostic. So it will download the diagnostic logs, and the first option, it will download as well as it will analyze those logs with the help of Einstein. Now let me go ahead and run this analyze with Einstein, and I'll show you what happens. I ran already multiple times, but I'll show you the current analysis. So this application has multiple issues. If you go to the analysis, you will see the issues. It will tell you the summary also. It will tell you the level of the issue, what is the root cause. It will tell you the impact also, and it will tell you the immediate action. So one of the immediate action, if you see, implement robust error handling mechanism within the callout external service flow to gracefully manage these external service failures. And it will give the recommendation also. Okay, so it has multiple issues, issue 1, issue 2, and if I go to the latest, let me just open latest one. See the third issue, suboptimal memory utilization. Now friends, this is not just a data. This is complete analysis of signals, the logs, the heartbeat of your Anypoint platform. Now by using this analysis, you can fix those issues with these recommendations and actions in no time. And that makes more sense and real value. Now, if you download these logs, you'll find the tar file. So let's go to, I'll download it here. Under this tar file, you'll find two more files. One is your text file and another is your diagnostic information analysis file, which is DIAF. So this DIAF file will have the data properly structured and in text format. And this data will be used for the improved, analysis via AI capabilities. Second file is your thread dump, which is the current snapshot of your threads running on your replica of your server. So these two files, you can use it for your, analysis purpose. Let me close this. You can go back to the Cloud Hub 1.0. Let me pick one file or one application, running application from the Cloud Hub 1.0. Let's take one. Yeah, Salesforce process. And here you won't have that Einstein capability, but still you have the diagnostic log download option. So you can download these diagnostic logs, and these logs can be analyzed by the AI tools, and then you can generate that analysis report. So that's all from this Anypoint platform. So there are some considerations before you implement this on your Anypoint platform. So one consideration is this diagnostics logs will be there for either 30 days or till 150 MB. Your application should be running on 4.623 LTS or 4.910 LTS or 4.10 age or later. You can run 10 analysis per application per hour, 50 analysis per organization per hour, 50 analysis per application per day, and 200 analysis per organization per day. Now, what next? Now, this diagnostic agent capability can be extended to the other deployment models beyond CloudHub 2.0. This can be extended and integrated with MuleSoft vibes so that in Anypoint Code Builder, you'll get the agentic experience. And in Anypoint Code Builder itself, by natural conversations, we'll be able to troubleshoot our applications directly. Now, if you are implementing a MuleSoft applications or a part of enterprise organization, then this option is not optional anymore. And this is where MuleSoft is heading. If you are getting a clarity on what is coming next from the MuleSoft side, then make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be ahead of this AI journey. And I'll see you in the next videos like this. Thank you.